One of the most talked about topic for the astronomers is Sedna, also known as Object 90,377. This video is all about Sedna. So let's dive into the video. Sedna is a celestial body located in the solar system, which is the farthest mass found in our solar system. The distance of the celestial body closest to the Sun is much greater than the distance of a Pluto further away from the Earth. In a place where Sun appears so small that you can even cover it with a pin. It is known for its extremely elliptical 11,390-year-long orbit and is currently on its way to the perihelion in 2076. Sedna was discovered on 14th November 2003 by a team led by astronomer Mike Brown of the California Institute of Technology. This planetary body is named after sea goddess Sedna in Greek mythology. According to a legend, this sea goddess lives at the bottom of an icy Arctic Ocean. Like this goddess, this celestial body is very far away and very cool. If we consider the diameter of Sedna about 1,800 kilometers, it is estimated Sedna is approximately 3/4 size of a Pluto. Sedna is likely the largest object found in our solar system since the Pluto was discovered in 1930. It takes about 11,390 years to complete one orbit. At the time of its discovery, it was at one of the closest points in its orbit around the Sun, obviously far away. And because of that, Sedna's temperature never rise above minus 240 degrees Celsius. Sedna may be a dwarf planet, but still it's uncertain, as it is too far away and too difficult to measure. To qualify as a dwarf planet, the celestial body must have enough gravity to assume the spherical shape, and it must not be a satellite of another celestial body. Sedna's orbit indicates that it is not someone's satellite. It is difficult to find the surface feature of a body 8 billion miles away, but it has been described by astronomers as second-reddest object in our solar system after Mars. While it is not yet possible to describe what Sedna's surface is exactly like, scientists have proven that it is made up of a mixture of water, methane, and nitrogen ice that appear to be stained in a deep red color, which is likely a cause of complex molecule known as toluenes. Sedna's orbit is quite different from the circular orbit of other planets in our solar system. Its orbits are thought to be elliptical or oval in shape. It has been a mystery of Sedna since its inception. It is thought to have come from a cloud of Oort, home to the 100 billion comets. The Sun is a star. Another nearest star is 2,700 astronomical units away. An astronomical unit is the average distance from the Sun to the Earth. The cloud of Oort extends up to the half distance of the nearest star from the Sun. Sedna's closest neighbors are home to the more than 1,000 icy objects called isotopes that are inhabit Kuiper's belt outside the Neptune. Kuiper's belt contains many icy bodies. No wonder another extraterrestrial life found in this area. Its research could show where the key to the origin of life lies. They are thought to be static remnants of the structure of our solar system. In 2076, it will reach the closest distance to the Sun. At that time, Pluto's distance from the Sun will be 2.5 times its closer distance. 600 years later, when it is further away from the Sun, the distance will be 10 times greater than the same distance as Pluto. This is the big surprise for the astronomers, as they assume that the area between Kuiper's belt and the cloud of Oort is empty. He assumed that the inner edge of the cloud of Oort would be very far, that is 300 times the distance from the Pluto to the Sun. but Sedna's discovery proved them wrong. In general, such a Sedna-like orbit is caused by a collision with another celestial body. Potential candidates for such a collision include a passing star or invisible planet outside the Kuiper's belt, or a young star that is in a stellar cluster when the Sun is formed. According to astronomer Mike, the Sun must have originated in a cluster of stars. The tiny young star in the cluster may have pushed the escaping object so that they arrange in the Saturn-like orbit. As this cluster disintegrates, this ancient object would have stopped at the onslaught of gravity and would have been arranged in a fixed orbit. Thus, somewhere in the history of Sedna, it is said to know about the formation of the Sun and the history of the Sun. The 2076 flyby offers the opportunity to study the distant celestial body in our solar system. There is no mission yet, but astronomers are planning in this direction. The ideal launch date is faster approaching to take advantage of this opportunity, with the best launching window coming in the year 2029 and 2034. In it too, astronomers favor the date 2029. By visiting the Sedna, we can learn about the formation of the trans-Neptune object. Hope you like this video. If yes, then do like, share the video and don't forget to subscribe Infinity.